I want to rain and shine both at the same time. A blessing and a beacon that you'll provide to the fertile fields, the barren plains. Lord, I'll go in your name, rake, hoe, or plow. Show me how to plant the seeds and pull the weeds with the living water and the light divine. I'll rain and shine. Lord, I want to be a blessing to dry and thirsty souls, pouring out your love and letting forgiveness flow. Weary hearts will wither without refreshing water. Showers come from you, but here's a vessel you can use. I want to rain and shine both at the same time. A blessing and a beacon that you provide to the fertile fields, the barren plains. Lord, I'll go in your name, rake, hoe, or plow. Show me how to plant the seeds and pull the weeds with the living water and the light divine. I'll rain and shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Someone may be watching, lost and alone tonight. If one little candle can light the way, I'd love to be the flame. With your love to keep my heart aglow, I can give a ray of hope. I want to rain and shine both at the same time. A blessing and a beacon that you provide to the fertile fields, the barren plains. Lord, I'll go in your name, rake, hoe, or plow. Show me how to plant the seeds and pull the weeds with the living water and the light divine. I'll rain and shine. With the living water and the light divine, I'll rain and shine. Just show me how I'll rain and shine.